take a look at this 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe convertible, and it's a beauty. 216 inline 6 underneath the hood that's paired up with a manual transmission with a shifter on the column. Kind of a medium blue, pretty color on this car. Let's take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. The headlight surrounds, bumper and bumperettes. Chrome shows very well. This vehicle came out of a local collection where it had been for the last 20 years. Well maintained and taken care of car. And as you can see, the paint does show very nice on this. It's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the sale price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. This number you can call. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out over 120 pictures of this vehicle online. Riding on the wide white wall. Radials. Chevy wheel covers and beauty rings. Pebble guards, rock guards behind the wheels, and then how about some curb feelers? A little 50s nostalgia look. Another pebble guard on the rear, fender skirts, then a white and blue interior that highlights the exterior of that car. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. A couple things I want to show you in there. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. You can see the parade boot or the convertible top cover here. White vinyl, as is the top. White vinyl top, we'll put that up at the end of the video so you can check that out. It is a power top, functions as it should. Check out the dual exhaust with the Chevy emblems. Of course, the Continental kit, giving this car a nice, rich look. If you noticed at the beginning, great stance to this car. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Not really noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may have a very small touch-up spot here where there's maybe been a little tiny rock chip, but overall, have not noticed much on this car at all. You can see the bright work. Also shows well. Seats, the vinyl two-tone combination, no rips, tears, or holes in the rear ones. Door panels matching the seat. Same with the front, free of rips, tears, or holes. Alright. How about a little trivia down in our comment section? If you know what this is for, comment on it down below. Help me do my job again. Worked out last time. It's kind of cool. You see that on hot rods a lot. And it actually does serve a purpose. There is a hidden panel right here that has a radial, and this is the power top switch. So I'll make the top go up and down. Want to make it look back where it's got a chrome grill over it. There you go. Put it back up. As far as the key, I'm going to turn this up and down. And then push button start right here. And that's all there is to it. Make sure we're neutral. That door closes nice. Fits well. Listen to that. Again, inline 6 underneath the hood. Kind of the sound that goes along with the car, if you will. But here, look at this stance. How cool is that? All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, show you this engine bay. Better take one last look at that bright work. Wow. All right, let's get the hood open. There we go, hood pop. Screen in front of the radiator. This is nice. You see that a lot on the older hot rods. Makes it a lot easier to clean those bugs out of there. I always think it's a sign that it tells you the previous owner took care of the car, well taken care of. Little things. But again, very stock looking under here. There is a battery disconnect if you want to store the car at all or turn it off in between dries. Blue Flame 6. Just purring right away underneath the hood. All right, let's get this top up, check that out, and we'll wrap up this video. But at the end, you're going to get a little bird's eye view what it's like to ride in this car too. So stick around, you'll see what the top is like and also how this car goes down the road. And let's check it out with the top up. So white vinyl top, nice fit above the windshield. I did roll up the side glass too, so you can see that it's nicely there. Not noticing any rips, tears, or holes. Nice clear rear window. Needed to keep you out of a pop-up shower, maybe out of the sun, is going to serve the purpose just fine. Passenger side, no rips, tears, holes either. Side glass, and the fit on the front. And remember, it is power top, functioning. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. It's a beautiful 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe Convertible. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe. Very nice blue color. We have an aftermarket turn signal attached to the column that works well. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Very nice running car. Our oil pressure gauge is showing 30. The temperature almost halfway up the gauge. Gas gauge is reading empty. Battery is charging over half on the gauge. Our windshield wipers do work on this car. Our blower motor also does function. We have the magnifier guide attached to the dash, which is a nice old feature. Be expected with this age of vehicle. Our brakes are working well.